What's going on, guys? It's Aaron the Paint Corrector, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do cool carpet designs and lines, but not the weird kind or the dangerous kind.
It's Aaron, the YouTube detailer. Yeah.
Okay, so first things first, we gotta get this cleaned because there's obviously a bunch of dirt and debris on it. Once we have it clean, then we can focus on putting the lines into this. So I've got my power clean, and I'm just gonna scrub it in with a stiff bristle brush, and then I'm gonna wipe it up with a microfiber. So. Okay, and there you have it, a nice, clean floor mat. All right, and now let's put lines into it. I just thought it'd be easier for you guys to see this if I do it on tan carpet instead of black. So what I've done is got this all cleaned up, and now I'm gonna take my stiff bristle brush, and I'm gonna do my lines. First thing is you wanna get a really straight line. So like they teach you when you're cutting greens in golf, you want to look where you want to go in terms of your complete line. So if I'm starting here, I know the dead center is somewhere in this mark. So what I'm going to do is stare at that mark and just let my hand chase it. All right, so watch this. Okay, so there's my first line. Now I'm gonna come back on both sides so I make sure they're nice and straight. Okay, and now I'm just gonna continue that pattern. So up, down, up, down. All right, there you have it. Really nice carpet lines. And what's also cool, in case you guys want to see this, is you can really change the pattern to whatever you want. Like if you want to do cross, again, put it where you know you want to go. So if I want to go across, I'm gonna aim for here, okay? Okay, and now let's do one more thing. I'll teach you how you can draw little designs in your carpet. The first thing you gotta do is find out which way is gonna give us the appearance of lines or letters. And what I mean by that is when I swipe this way, the carpet still looks black. Or, well, I say tan, sorry. And when I go up, it gives it a white line, right? So what I wanna do is take that concept, take that theory, and apply it to when I'm writing letters. So if I want to draw an O, I want all my motions just straight up motions. So that way I'm pulling the carpet up and giving it that white appearance.